We're back to learning CSS. Let me show you the writing mode property. It can be used to turn the default, which is always horizontal, into a vertical writing mode. Let me add two paragraphs. I'm going to give them classes. First one horizontal, second one vertical. As I've said, the horizontal is the default, so if I select this now in CSS and make the writing minus mode property horizontal, this is not going to change anything. Value is officially called horizontal minus TB. And just as a reminder, this is the first paragraph, so nothing has changed. Let us select the vertical class. And this time it's writing minus mode with a value of vertical minus RL. And this turns it into vertical writing. If you only want to add that to a specific word or a specific section of your sentences and paragraphs, you can use the span element. Let me, for example, only target the vertical word here in the second paragraph, and I give the span now the class a vertical, and this only turns this word from default horizontal to vertical. It's easy to use once you know that it exists. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.